Here we are in apartment 1710. It's all being painted. We have new flooring, vinyl plank flooring throughout. Here we're going to put a ceiling fan, and we have created this backsplash. Very, very good. It's very, very desirable for residents, and it's very attractive to make the property really, really modern. We also put a granite benchtop. This granite benchtop cost us about $1,500, and it goes a long way when it comes to residents. So great pop, if you like, for the property. As you can see, this is an old almond looking range hood, so we're going to replace that with a white one. But I'll tell you a secret. Sometimes you don't have to replace them. You can actually buy a special spray paint to paint those, take it off, and you can paint it white, and it really makes it look like new. Here we have the outlet covers. We're going to put new outlet covers over here, and we're going to put a USB outlet as well. The range here is dated, as you can see. It will need we're going to purchase a new range, a new white range, so it all matches. This is also a kind of an almond looking range, and we need to, of course, keep this bedroom as well with new ceiling fans. So we need 3 ceiling fans here, one in the living room, one in the bedroom over there, and also here in the second bedroom. All the bedroom has built-in wardrobes. We like the built-in wardrobes. It's very, very attractive for tenants, and we of course need to make sure that all the blinds are working properly and are all nice and tidy. So this is an apartment that we are currently turning. We're going to finish it within the next few days, probably early next week, and it's going to be ready. We have a waiting list, so we're excited to get this apartment turned. Let me take you to another apartment.